Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VI, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once the content that you want to capture is visible on your screen, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with the pop-up with share and edit options, and after a moment it will disappear. There we go. Once it disappears, you can find your captured screenshot in the Photos application, and you will see it right at the front, as you can see right here. And if you're trying to find your screenshots down the line, just look for the screenshot album, which is the text right above, and you can tap on the text itself, and this will take you to the album, which contains strictly screenshots. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.